Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting Unity project files where Git can manage them. Create and apply a Unity. Git ignore so large auto-generated folders like library and temp are excluded because they bloat repos and break merges. Make sure you record the exact Unity editor version in project settings or Unity Hub so builds remain compatible. Initialize the Git repository and commit only assets and project settings. Once done, push to a remote so your other computer can fetch a consistent baseline and avoid mismatched project states. You now set up a robust syncing workflow. Enable Git LFS for binaries like textures, audio, and large models to prevent repo performance issues. Work on feature branches and always pull the latest main before you start. This reduces merge pain. Configure Unity YAML merge or Unity Smart Merge so scene and prefab changes merge intelligently instead of corrupting files. When conflicts appear, open scenes in Unity. Inspect prefab overrides and choose the authoritative change. Resolve in Git and test in Editor to confirm stability. You finish by pulling the repo on the other computer and ensuring you install the exact Unity version recorded earlier, because mismatched editors produce asset serialization differences. Open the project and allow a full reimport. That rebuilds the library locally. If the editor fails, delete only library as a last resort and reopen to force reimport. If problems persist, check for Git LFS not fetched, line-ending conversions altering meta files, or GUID conflicts in. Meta files, fix and recommit, then pull to all machines to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.